How to change password on Ring app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Ring app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the dashboard page. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on it. Now navigate to the option of account settings. Now head over to this option of password. Click on it. Now click on this option of update. In order to change your password, you have to verify your identity first. So go ahead and type in your old password. After you type in, click on continue. Now you will be receiving verification code in your phone number that is linked with your account. You have to type in that code over here. Then click on verify code. Now generate new password for your account. Retype in your new password. After you type in, click on change password. Once your password has been changed, you will be logged out of your Ring app. Now you can click on sign in, type in your credentials and log into your account. Well, this is how you can easily change password on Ring app. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.